Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube video. So in this video we will learn about how to use Vlookup, how to apply Vlookup in the Excel so we can get the values from one sheet to another sheet. So I have prepared one example. In this example we have sectors, salesperson, reporting manager, reason, credit period, default in period, item number, price, quantity and revenue. So first of all, as you can see that credit period is not written clearly. We cannot see credit period written properly. So what we will do, for auto fit there is a shortcut. We'll go on A1, select all. The shortcut is Alt HOI. Now you can see, we can see the complete credit period return. It is an auto fit shortcut, Alt HOI. We have data in sheet raw data 1 and we have raw data 2 in which we have only sectors written over there. We don't have the salesperson, reporting manager, reason. So we will use Vlookup to get these values from here. So let's get started. Now we have to come over here. We have to write is equals to Vlookup. Now it is saying lookup value. Lookup value will be the value which I want. I want the value of healthcare. Now apply comma. Table array. From which table? From table this. I have to select 1 and 2. This is the value and I want this value. This is the table array. So I have selected complete table by pressing shift down and right arrow. Column A and the value which is in column B. Now again comma. So it has already selected raw data. Column index. Now the value are in column number second. This is column number 1. Column number 2. We want value of healthcare from column number 2. So column number will be 2, comma, comma 2, comma, true approximate match and exact match. For exact match we have to select 0 for the exact match. So we will press 0 and then bracket close. So there is some error. Let me highlight the formula bar. Lookup value. It is raw data table 1. Okay. So the value is, this is lookup value, table array. I want the value from second column, so 2, and for exact match we will always select 0. For approximate match we will select 1. So we have value of healthcare is Ram. So salesperson is Ram. So in this sector is healthcare. Salesperson is Ram. So we have the value, and now what we will gonna do? We will click the left mouse button and then drag it down. So now we have the values over here. Now we will fetch the reporting person, reporting manager, same Alt HOI for auto fit. I will write the formula is equals to Vlookup. What is my lookup value? My lookup value is healthcare. I want the value for this one. Table array. Now this is the table array 1. Now press shift 1, 2, 3. Because the reporting manager name is column number 3, so I have selected this table complete by using shift. I have to click, press shift, right arrow key 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see the formula over here. Now I can write comma. Now my value, reporting manager value is in column number 3, so I will write 3, then comma. Then for exact match we will select 0 and then bracket close. We have the manager name, reporting manager name as Mike, and now we will drag it down. Now we have to select the reason. So is equals to VLOOKUP lookup value. Lookup value is healthcare. Table array, from which table? This table 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth column, so pressing shift I have selected. Now comma fourth, my value is in column number 4th and it should be exact match, so I have selected 0, bracket close. Now reason, we also get the reason over here. Now let me remove this. Now you can see that here when I'm selecting the cell C1, we can see reporting manager's name over in the formula bar, but when I am pressing down, it is showing me the formula, which is Mike Kelly Johnson. It is showing me the formula. Now how to convert this formula into values? So whenever we are applying any formula, it is very important to convert this formula into values. Now let's start. We will select the area sorry, by pressing shift, right arrow and then down arrow along with the control. Copy it, control C. What I will do again, control C, copy, and then press alt ESV. It will take me to the window of paste special. It will, by default, when I press V, it will select value in paste special screen and then press OK. Now you can see we have applied a shortcut formula, and now we have Ram Sham Mohan in the formula bar as well. We have removed the formula and we have converted that formula into values. So in this video we have learned how to use VLOOKUP. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe our channel for informative video. Thank you.